The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is here, and once again Samsung has created a big buzz in the tech industry with its new flagship launch. Just like iPhone 15 Pro series, Samsung is also using titanium for its Galaxy S24 Ultra series. If you have decided to get this smartphone, the second most important thing is which color to choose from, as it comes in variety of colors like titanium gray, titanium black, titanium violet, and titanium yellow. In this video, let's see all the color options it comes in and give you a fair idea which color to choose for your Galaxy S24 Ultra. Starting with the titanium gray color, this might be the most popular color this year, as the natural titanium was for the iPhone 15 Pro series. It's a smart office-friendly option, feels great in the hand, and with all matte finish it shouts premium. From the side, the titanium frame has a slightly brown edges, which complements the color. A flat design makes it more robust in the hand, and I really liked it. Gorilla Glass armor at the front and the back makes it more durable and protective. Honestly speaking, this is my favorite color for this year. The color is quite similar to the iPhone 15 Pro series, but definitely is not exactly the same. Titanium Violet. Purple is a common shade for Samsung, but this one is a bit more unusual than black and grays. This is a deep dark purple that's sure to turn heads. It has a two-tone effect which makes it more stylish. A dark purple back with a slightly darker shade of silver on the side. This color definitely stands out. A great color choice by Samsung. There is also a titanium yellow. This is a pale, understated yellow, but should still stand out more than some of the other colors here. It has a very subtle two-tone. I'm not sure if my camera is doing justice. It's quite a pale yellow color, but I can see on my camera screen, it's looking slightly more vivid yellow, which is not true. But the color is definitely an eye-catcher. Samsung has added some cool new AI software features, which I'm sure will come to other Galaxy devices after Android 6.1 update. Now let's talk about titanium black. If you want a classic color, this one is no-brainer, as you can't go wrong with this color. Samsung has named it titanium black, but you can clearly see shades of gray at the back. And it's definitely not a jet black color. On the side, the titanium frame has more dark shades. It's quite an impressive color and a great color choice by Samsung. Something different than the usual black we have seen before. These four colors are widely available, but we also have exclusive colors on the online store, like titanium orange, which looks really stunning on the website. Usually Samsung's online colors are always unique. Titanium blue is another Samsung store exclusive for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. It's a pale blue that almost verges on white, but still has enough color to it to stand out. Finally, we have titanium green, which is yet again a Samsung store exclusive. It looks like a pale, understated green option. Unfortunately, I could not get my hands on these unique colors as they are only exclusive to the Samsung online store, but I must say they all look quite impressive. With all these unique colors, Samsung has also made some unique cases, but if you have Samsung Care Plus, you can rock them just like that. Well guys, that's it for this color comparison video. Kindly let me know in the comments below which one you like the most. If you are interested in seeing the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus color comparison, you can click over here to see that video. So that's it guys. If you like this video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. See you all soon in my next one. Till then, goodbye.